In this video, I show you how to reset your Panasonic TV back to factory settings. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may want to go and reset your TV because you're having problems with it, or you may want to go and reset it because you're selling it, or there may be another reason. It doesn't really matter. So at the moment, I'm on the apps page, but it doesn't matter what page you're on as long as your TV is turned on. So what you need to do is go onto remote, and you need to go and tap on the menu button, which is this one in the top left just here. Yours may be in a slightly different location, but it doesn't matter, it should do the same thing. So go and tap on menu like so, and then as you can see, the main menu has now opened up, and what you need to do is scroll down to setup. By default, you're probably going to be on picture or something like that, so just use the arrows on the remote to go and scroll down like so, all the way down to setup, and go and tap OK or select on that. And then once you do that, you'll then be in the setup menu, and then we can go and scroll down here. And you need to go and scroll down to system menu. So go and scroll down like so, all the way down, and click OK or select on that there. And then once you're in the system menu, to go and reset your TV, the option's actually called is shipping option, because it is basically taking the TV back to when it was first shipped. So as you can see, when you hover over it on the left hand side, it says reset all settings, for example, when moving house. So then just go and tap OK or select on that option there. And as you can see, you then just need to go and confirm your decision by going over to yes. And it says all tuning data will be erased. So you'll have to go and set up your TV again. And that's it, guys. Go and click there, and your TV will then be reset. I'm not going to because I don't currently need to, but if you want to, go and do it. And that's it, guys. If you found this useful, then please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.